As suspense hangs over the fate of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's most trusted man in the BJP, Sushil Kumar Modi, who has served as his deputy for a major part of his tenure so far, the Saffron Party is likely to take the post of Speaker in the Bihar Assembly. Kumar's name for Chief Ministerial post was announced at 1 Anemark, the Chief Minister's official residence, by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who had been sent from Delhi as the observer for the BJP, which has returned with the highest number of seats in the NDA in the assembly elections. Nitish Kumar was unanimously elected as the NDA legislature party leader. Our MLAs Tarakishore Prasad and Renu Devi were respectively elected as the leader and deputy leader of the BJP legislature party, Singh told reporters later on. Nitish Kumar, who met Governor Phagu Chauhan along with leaders like BJP State President Sanjay Jaiswal to stake claim for the formation of a new government, said that the swearing-in would take place tomorrow between 4 and 4:30 p.m. After the defeat of the Grand Alliance in the Bihar elections, the allegations and counter-allegations among the political parties involved in it has started intensifying. RJD leader Shivanand Tiwari has targeted Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He said that Rahul Gandhi was having a picnic at his house with sister Priyanka Gandhi in Shimla when the election was at its peak. Veteran BJP leader and Union Minister Giriraj Singh tweeted about this comment of RJD leader and asked why the Congress is silent on the comments. RJD leader Shivanand Tiwari, speaking to ANI, said that when the election in Bihar was at its peak, Rahul Gandhi was having a picnic in Shimla with his sister Priyanka Gandhi. Does the party go on like this? The way the Congress is contesting the elections is benefiting the BJP itself. This is not the first case when an alliance partner of the Grand Alliance has raised such a question on Congress. Earlier questions were also raised by the CPI-ML on the decision to give more seats to the Congress party. CPI-ML General Secretary Dipankar Bhattacharya had said that if his party had got more seats, the final results would have been different. In this election, CPI-ML fielded candidates for 19 seats, of which the party won 12 seats. After the Congress's performance in Bihar elections, party veteran Kapil Sibal said that the people of the country did not consider Congress to be an effective alternative anymore. In an interview to the Indian Express, Sibal shed light on the party's internal crisis while stressing on the need for reform to find new paths to run the Congress amid what he called a communication revolution. Talking about the party's performance in Bihar and other by-elections, Kapil Sibal said that the writing was on the wall. He said in Bihar the alternative was the RJD and that Congress had lost all the by-elections in Gujarat as well. We did not win a single seat there even in the Lok Sabha elections. In some of the constituencies in Uttar Pradesh, less than 2% of the votes cast were notched up by the Congress candidates in the by-election, he said, adding that his colleague, who was a part of the CWC, had said recently, "I hope the Congress introspects." Traders Body Confederation of All India Traders, that is CAIT, announced that traders across the country sold goods worth Rs 72,000 crores during the Diwali 2020 season amid a complete boycott of Chinese goods. The confederation, which represents around 7 crore traders and 40,000 trade associations, said that the country's Diwali festive period sales rose by more than 10.8% year-on-year, indicating good prospect for small businesses. The trader body collected the sales data based on the report gathered by 20 different cities, including top metros Lucknow, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, Jammu and Jaipur, among others. The organization is the leading advocate for small traders and businesses across the country. SpaceX confirmed that it was on the right orbit to reach the ISS a little more than 27 hours later at around 11 p.m. on Monday night, joining 2 Russians and 1 American aboard the station and stay for 6 months. There was a problem with the cabin temperature control system, but it was quickly solved. She is operating just fine, that is what SpaceX President Glenn Shotwell during the press conference said. But she further said that we will be able to breathe a sigh of relief 26 or so hours from now once we hand the crew over to NASA. SpaceX briefly transmitted live images from inside the capsule showing the astronauts in their seats, something neither the Russians nor the Americans had done before.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.